Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're venturing on my channel for the first time today, hi, hello, and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave today. But for today's video, I will be unboxing my BOXYCHARM for the month of September, and this will officially be my last BOXYCHARM unboxing. I know I've said that before, but this time we are being for real. Really need to cut back on expenses for wedding planning. We just put a deposit down on our photographer, so we are broke AF right now. So yeah, we're gonna get into this box. I pretty much know what's already in here because I did watch some spoilers, and I'm not very happy with what's in this box. So if you're curious to see what is in here and why I feel like this box is just kind of meh, then definitely keep on watching. So for September, we have the BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM is $50 every 3 months. You have to subscribe for the base box first and then be put on the wait list for this. And so the months that you get your BOXYCHARM, you only get the BOXYCHARM, you don't get the base box with it. And this one's supposed to be like your bigger box. It's kind of comparable to the IPSY X, that's every 3 months. And it's supposed to be like bougie, like a lot more things in here. And it's supposed to be like the better deal, supposedly. So we have our giant card here, which is super cute. It says Fall Luxe, and we have a whole list of things on the back. Let's just go ahead and get started. So unfortunately this month, I actually remembered to pick like my choice item, but by the time I got there, all like the choices were pretty much sold out. So one of the items you could have gotten was like a Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, which would have been like so cool because I really don't have. I have like 2 little sample size things from Rare Beauty. Unfortunately, by the time I got there to pick my choice item, the eyeshadow palette was already sold out. So instead, I got the Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel from Rare Beauty, worth $22. So I got this in the shade Cool Brown. So on one side, you kind of have like a triangle tip pencil. Just swatch that really quick. Ooh, definitely got to warm it up a little bit, but hopefully that shade will work for me. And on the other side, you actually have a brow gel. I really do like this packaging though. It's like kind of like her signature color. So on the other side, you have the brow gel with a really nice small spoolie wand, which I'm appreciative of. I don't really like giant spoolies for like when I'm trying to do my brows because then stuff gets everywhere. So like I said, this retails for $22. I'm still happy I got this, but I kind of wish I was able to get the eyeshadow palette instead. All right, the next item on here is a pair of lashes from MAC. I've got a few pairs of them now. I think I have like 3 or 4 pairs now. If I'm being honest with you, I don't think I've actually ever used any of them yet. So these are MAC lashes in the style 83 Siren Lash. These are worth $18. Now these ones aren't bad. We'll have to try them on and see. Like I said, I don't even know if I've even tried any of MAC lashes before, but I do know I have a few pairs of them. Yeah, so I have these ones, which are also Romantic Lash, which I have not yet tried, and then the new ones, which are the Siren Lash. And I have not tried either one of them, so I don't know how they are quality-wise or how easy they are to apply. All right, the next item is something from Saturday Skin. This is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream for $57. The packaging on this is honestly super cool, and this is just kind of like a moisturizer, but like a whipped cream texture apparently. So there's just kind of like the little protective cap. I don't have any moisturizer on right now, but my face really isn't cleaned. It definitely feels like really weird. Ooh, but it's like super light. Like it feels like really watery when you put it on. It's not as thick consistency as you would think it is. So I'm just gonna like take this and just apply some. It definitely has a bit of a citrus smell, but it's not overpowering in the slightest, but it's so weird because like it feels thick on your fingers, and then when you apply it, it kind of disperses over your skin really nicely, and it kind of just feels like a lot more lightweight and like watery, if that makes sense, but like good. It's not just like you know, water. It feels like it's actually like moisturizing. Now my skin is nice and moisturized. It does look a little bit like of a radiance to it, and I really do like that. I'm currently using up my like vitamin C moisturizer from Riley Skin. I don't know what the name of it is, but that one's like super thick consistency, and it's like very heavy on the vitamin C, and it kind of makes my face feel greasy afterwards. It does eventually kind of absorb into the skin, but this one, like, it's not too bad. So I'm definitely excited to try that out once my other one is used up. All right, the next item is my main reason why I was like so upset with this box. And it's because it's a hair straightener. Do you see these curls? Do you see these curls? I'm so pissed that I got this. I saw like NUE and I saw a bunch of other people unboxing this, and this is like a mini flat iron. It's not even like a full-size one, and it's worth $99. So this is the ADAGIO Not So Mini Flat Iron for $99. Features 100% ceramic plates that radiate far infrared heat, helping to minimize damage to the hair. Unique floating plates design allows you to smoothly straighten and style hair, resulting in shiny, silky, no-frizz, manageable hair with unlimited style potential. Sure, it probably does all those things if you already have straight hair or like wavy hair. I have not straightened this hair in probably like 2, maybe 3 years. I do own a straightener. It was more expensive than this, but not by much. And it's full size. And I don't straighten my hair anymore. Like, I'm fully into like appreciating my curly hair. I'm following the curly girl method, so I don't really want to straighten my hair because I want to embrace the curls. And they're actually like pretty curly today. I mean, this is like day 2 hair, which is pretty good. It's not super frizzy. So I'm like really upset that I got this. Like, this is worth $99. That's like the most expensive thing. Yeah, it is the most expensive thing in this box. And so, just out of curiosity, I already reached out to BOXYCHARM and was like, hey, I'm pretty disappointed with this month's box. I got this flat iron. I have very curly hair. I'm never going to use it. I feel like it's kind of a waste, and I'm upset that it's worth $99 that like I'm not going to use out of this box. I really don't think like they're actually going to do anything about it, but I was just figuring why not reach out and just see if they would. My beauty preferences are like up to date. I've like filled out that quiz, you know, I literally say I really don't want much hair products or hairstyling products or heat tools and stuff like that. But I honestly don't think that quiz does anything. I'm being honest, they just give you what they give you for that month. So like I reached out to them, they came back and literally said, "I'm so sorry, we want you to be fully satisfied with your box. Make sure your beauty preferences are up to date. And it's also a discovery box, so, you know, there might be some stuff in here that, like, are, you know, that you didn't initially want, but you're discovering." And I pretty much said, I was like, look, listen, I don't know if you're going to be able to do anything about it. My beauty preferences are up to date. Still pretty upset about this box. And I was going to cancel anyways, because I was paying, like, for the prepaid 3 months, so I was going to like renew in October, so I was gonna cancel after the September box. And I was like, getting this box cemented the fact that I'm going to be canceling anyways. And so then a different person responded back and said, we're gonna forward this onto our team and like see what we can do. Like I said, I don't know if anything's gonna happen. I literally said I would like send the straightener back, and if you give me like an eyeshadow palette or something, like it doesn't need to be worth $99, like I'd be happy if I could just got anything else that I could actually use. So if they don't want me to mail this back, this will definitely be going into a giveaway. But as much as like, you know, conceited this all might sound, I'm never gonna use this. I don't straighten my hair. I have curly hair, so. Alright, the next thing in here is something from the NUE company. These are defense drops and herbal supplement. I'm very curious about these because I saw that this smells horrible and tastes very, very interesting. So these are the NUE defense drops, worth $35. It's your first line of defense against getting sick. It has a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunodulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. So it's got like rosemary, yarstrag, I don't know, a lot of stuff in here that I don't know how to pronounce. But I'm very curious about this. I know some people, like, I have a friend that has, like, I don't know if it's just, like, vitamin D drops or something. Just something that, like, you can drop onto your tongue or into whatever alcoholic beverage you're consuming. And it's supposed to help with, like, minimizing your hangover the next day. So I don't know if this is, like, similar to that, but it just says you have to have 1 dropper full every day. So not even just, like, 1 drop, just, like, a full dropper. It smells interesting, but almost smells like kombucha or like vinegar. It definitely doesn't smell as bad as like some other videos that I saw. I don't have any water, so we're gonna try some of this and hopefully I don't like get sick. It tastes like how it smells. At first it tastes like it's got like a good like flavor, like a fruit or something, and then it just tastes bitter. Oh my god, it's just, it smells bitter. There's still something else coming up with it. Not as bad as I thought. Not as bad as I thought. It's probably not actually gonna do anything to help you from getting sick. Like I'm pretty sure it says it's not FDA like approved. Yeah, these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. So this is just kind of like, you know, supplements, essential oils, type stuff that's gonna like keep you from getting sick, but whether or not it's actually proven is to be determined. All right, the next thing we have is this giant palette right here. This is the CAB Cosmetics Contour Palette, value of $60. So there are 2 volumes, I believe. This is the volume 1. So this is gonna be like the lighter colors, but honestly, like I feel like these are still too light for like even someone of my skin tone. So you have like a translucent, which looks white. Vanilla bean, nude, and banana. I've never tried a banana under eye powder. And then he has some like kind of like contour bronzy shades over here, but like I already know that's gonna be way too warm. This one might work depending on how pigmented it is when it comes like right out of the pan. Like these are like super light, but I'm still gonna try this. I'm interested, but ooh, it feels soft. But like that's the translucent and that's just like white. I mean, these feel so soft. So like I said, that's the translucent, which is just pure white. That's the banana under powder. This one is the suntan, which looks like it's gonna be way too warm. And then this one is like the caramel shade, which might be a good contour shade. Big palette, big pans, and a big mirror. So $60 for 8 shades, I guess it's not too bad. We'll just have to wait and see when I actually apply them to the face to see like how well they're actually gonna work out. All right, the next product we have is something from the Lifestyle company. I've had a few items from them before. This is the Lifestyle company Bamboo Body Polish. Something's like slimy in this box and I don't know if this leaked or not. So this retails for $49. I've never tried a body polish before. I've done like body scrubs. I don't know if this like does like the same thing or not. But ooh, it's like kind of like milky. It doesn't have like a scent really at all. So I don't know where to put that. Just put that right there. But it's kind of like really watery and like really milky, but it does have just like a slight amount of kind of like sugar granules or whatever you want to call them, to kind of like do the exfoliating. There might be a slight smell. Like I think I'm getting a slight smell. It might be from like those sugar crystals once you activate them and actually start like rubbing them on your skin. So like that's interesting. It actually smells like really good now. Like I'm getting a little bit of that smell. It's kind of like vanilla. I don't know what bamboo smells like, so honestly I don't know if it has a scent. It also says you could keep it in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effects and to boost circulation. But honestly, if I put that in the fridge, I probably would forget it's in the fridge and I would never grab it and take it with me to the shower. All right, and then the last product is in this super, super cute packaging. This is from Dew of the Gods. It's a Frosé Hya Activated Lip Scrub. So it's in a cute rainbow package and it retails for $16. It's just like a lip scrub. I already have a lot of lip scrubs and I saw like the videos where it's pretty much just like sugar crystals and it doesn't feel like there's much of a binding agent with it. So it kind of just like crystals and like falls off. So like I have like all the Jeffree Star lip scrubs that like work a little bit better than I think this is gonna do. So I think I'm also gonna put this into a giveaway as well. But the packaging is like super cute on this. So that's everything for this box. Like I said, I'm pretty disappointed in this box. It's kind of meh. We only got 2 makeup items. Then we got skincare, we got like a tincture herbal supplement thing, and then we got like a hair straightener that I'm never gonna use. So we'll see if I get any kind of correspondence back from BOXYCHARM. But like I said, this is gonna be my last box, for real this time. I'll be canceling, so again, my FabFitFun box will be the only box that I'm subscribed to. No more Ipsy, no more BOXYCHARM. But if I were to compare the BOXYCHARM Luxe from September to the Ipsy X Halsey box from August. The Ipsy box definitely won by a landslide, even though I wasn't able to like choose anything in that box. Just the fact that it was chosen by like Halsey, and all of the items in there were amazing compared to this box. So I'm just gonna add up the total of how much this box was worth and let you guys know. All right, so the total of this box was $356, which is not bad, but if you subtract the $99 straightener, it's only $257. Like I said, I don't know, like I feel like they don't know that I have curly hair, that I don't straighten my hair. But if I do put my beauty preferences that like I'm not using any heat styling products or hot tools, like I don't want them. Like, I don't know. But again, like I said, I don't think that beauty quiz actually does anything to help with what you were chosen in your box. So it is what it is. That was rude. But that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do you guys have BOXYCHARM? Did you like this month's box? Did you get anything different? Because pretty much everything I've seen is what everyone else has gotten, other than like the Rare Beauty palette versus the brow pencil. Other than that, I feel like I've seen all like the same products. But let me guys know if you guys did get BOXYCHARM. Were you disappointed in this month's box? Let me know. But other than that, if you did enjoy today's video, give it a big thumbs up. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys, and subscribe to my channel. I will keep you in a feeling family. Bye!